The second step is adjust this press wiper station. Okay, you can from touch screen. We use this menu. We use this menu, and then use this turntable. Make it stop at this press wiper station, and then put the wiper. Put the wiper here, and then we release the air. This way. We release this air, and then make it down. We will check, make it tighten here. Make it tighten. Make it tighten. If there's enough, and then we will adjust here also, and also we can adjust from top. We can adjust from top. So make it tighten, and then we lock here. We lock here. We lock this screw, and then this is okay. Finish, and then air on. Okay, the second is press wiper station already fixed.